Okay, we will go through the exemplar problems in the class 12 chemistry chapter 13 amines. Okay, before going through it, I will show you some information. If you take this ammonia and you replace one hydrogen atom with one alkyl aryl group, then it is called primary amine. If you replace two hydrogen atom with RL alkyl group, then it is secondary. Similarly, all three hydrogen atom you replace with alkyl RL tertiary. So this is example of the primary amine. This is example of the secondary amine. You have replaced two hydrogen atoms here and tertiary amine. Okay. Hydrolysis. It means we are splitting some compound using water. So let us say AB is the compound and we are doing hydrolysis, that is hydrolysis H2O, then it will AHBO. This is the general formula. Okay. Now let's say for boiling point of the isomeric amines. Isomers mean the same molecular formula, it may have different structure. So the primary will have more boiling point than secondary than tertiary. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is more in primary than in secondary, they are in tertiary. Okay. Now basic character of the amines. So that is divided by these three effects: inductive effect, solvation and steric hindrance. More stable means is a weaker base. Okay, more stable compound is a weaker base. Okay, so if you take the inductive effect, that is plus I inductive effect, we have tertiary amines stronger base than the secondary than primary. Okay, if you take the solvation, that is solubility in water, the primary amines greater than the secondary creation in tertiary. Steric hindrance, that is more in ethane than methane. Okay, so the propane will have more than ethane. Steric hindrance. So the basic strength of the aliphatic compounds is greater than ammonia than greater than the aromatic compounds. Okay, aromatic compounds are weaker base than the aliphatic compound. Okay, so combining all these three properties, inductive effect, solvation and the steric hindrance, this is the order of the basic strength. Okay, we have here two methyl groups. Okay, so then one methyl group, then three here. See here two, here in between one is coming. So you have to combine all these things to find out the basic strength. So ammonia is the least basic here. So if you take ethyl group, you see the change here. So here 3 is here, but here in ethyl group 3 is here because of the steric hindrance varies between ethyl and methyl. So this changed. Okay, this is greater than ammonia. So these are some examples of the electron releasing group. Methyl, this OCH3 group, electron withdrawing group, the NO2, these things. Okay, this is RL group. Okay, then if you see a compound like this, that is a cyclic compound, that actually it is like this. So the atoms are not shown. So this carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon have 4 valency electron, 4 are connected. Okay, this is equivalent to this. Okay, which of the following is a tertiary amine? Okay, so we have here all the three hydrogen atoms in the hydrogens are used. Okay, so in this you see, which is see here all the three hydrogen atoms are used. Okay, this is the tertiary amine. Okay, So this is the answer. The correct IUPAC name. So here you see there are two hydrogen atoms used from this nitrogen. So this should be a secondary amine. Okay, secondary amine will use N prefix. Okay, so this N secondary. Then there is a double bond alkene. Okay, so you have to use this En. So if you use these two formula, only this is coming. So that is mentioned in this book also. See here, go to N, then we are using N for the secondary amine. Okay, so here also you can see here N for the secondary amine, and here you see there is a double bond En they are using in this formula. So based on that, this is the correct answer. Amongst the following strongest base in case meaning this is the stronger. I already shown you that order of that basic. So the basic character depend on this inductive effect, solvation and steric hindrance. Okay, so this is what level. So here this summary, after analyzing all those three effects, they come across this is the order. This is more basic than this. So based on this, so this is the answer among this. So here here you have benzene aromatic. So due to the delocalization of lone pair, this is less basic. So they are asking what is the strongest base. They are asking. Here we have this CN, that is the electron withdrawing group. So this can be a stronger base. So among these two, this is based on that book. Which of the following is the weakest Bronsted base? Okay, weakest. And the Bronsted-Lowry basic means it's accepting protons. Okay, that is base. Acid means donating protons, like HCl. This is donating proton. H plus Cl minus. This will donate H plus. So proton means it's like it's hydrogen. So Bronsted-Lowry base accepts protons. Okay, so now here so this is alkyl group here, as I already shown you, this carbon nitrogen, these alkyl groups are attached, that is electron releasing group, that cannot be a weaker. They are asking what is the weakest base. Okay, so now if you consider this also, there is a electron donating groups, all three having electron donating group. Here only the electron withdrawing group, so it's a weaker base. Electron withdrawing group. So the more stable means it's a weak base. Okay, benzylamine may be alkylated as shown in the following equation. Okay, which of the following is best for SN1? SN1 is a two steps reaction. There is a carb cation is formed in the intermediate stage. That should be stable. So among this is benzyl halides, their greatest stability of the carb cation. Okay, in the chapter 10 you already read in the alloalkenes. So that is why this is best for the SN1 reaction. Which of the following reaction would not be good choice for reducing aryl nitro compound into the aniline? Okay, so this is used This lithium aluminum nitrate is used only for reducing aliphatic nitro compounds to aniline, not for the aromatic. They are asking by reducing aryl. Aryl means aromatic nitro compound. So LiH reacts with aryl nitro to form the azo compounds, azobenzene compounds. Okay, so it will not be good fit for making the amines like aniline. In order to prepare the primary amine from the alkyl halide with simultaneous addition of one ethyl group in the carbon chain, the reaction used as a source of the nitrogen is this potassium cyanide. The source of nitrogen in the Gabriel synthesis amines is this, that is given in the book. That is Gabriel synthesis preparing primary amines. Okay, this one. Among the given set of the reagent, the most appropriate for preparing this is secondary amine. Okay, for preparing secondary amine. This one. The best reagent for converting 2-phenyl propanamide into 2-phenylamine. Number amide to amine. Okay, we are converting amide to amine. Then this one 5. Okay, here we are converting amide to amine. This is the amide group and this is the amine in the presence of this lithium aluminum hydride. The best reagent for converting this amide into primary amine. Okay, 6. This one 6. This is the Hoffman degradation reaction. Okay, we are getting one carbon less than the what is there here in this amide. So here one carbon less than this Hoffman bromamide degradation reaction. So here using the sodium hydroxide. Hoffman bromide degradation reaction is shown by, there is one carbon as amide term is shown by this, the ARC12. Okay, here AR means aryl. Okay, aryl. The correct increasing order of the basic strength of the following compounds. More basic. Okay, the electron releasing groups is more basic. Okay, here also this is electron withdrawing group. Okay, this is very less basic, so this will come first, then this, then last, because of this electron withdrawing group. So this. Okay, this is the least and this is the strong. Okay, question number 14. Okay, question number 14. Methylamine reacts with HNO3 to form this alcohol methanol 13. Okay, the primary aliphatic amines react with nitrogen to form diazolone, so there is a alcohol here. Okay, The gas evolved when methylamine reacts with nitric acid. Is this N2 has? So we have N2 gas released here in this reaction. The nitration of benzene using the mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid, nitric acid. The species which initiates this reaction is ion 15. Okay. Is that ion? Reduction of aromatic nitro compounds using the iron and HCl gives this aromatic primary amine 4. Aromatic primary amine. This one, this is aromatic primary amine. The most reactive amine towards the dilute hydrochloric acid. Dilute hydrochloric acid is acidic. So more reactive means that should be more basic. Okay, this is more basic among these. So that is given in the book. Okay, this is the order of the basic strengths. Though you can go through all these things, how this induction, steric hindrance and solvation affect the basic strength of the material. Okay. So based on that, this is more basic, so that will react with more acidic like HCl. Acid anhydrides reaction with primary amines gives amide 12. Okay, anhydride the irritable reaction known as alkylation anhydrides. Okay, you can go through this reaction. The reaction with air, this aryl is named as this Gatterman reaction 17. So this is the Gatterman reaction. So this is that compound that is given. Okay, this one X is Cl here. Okay, N2CCl. Okay, this is the one. The best method for preparing primary amines from alkyl halides without changing the number is Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. That is given in page 6. So here that number of carbon atoms won't change. So this is that synthesis, preparation of the primary amines. Which of the following compound will not undergo azo coupling reaction with benzene diazonium chloride? So this azo coupling this benzene diazonium needs electron rich components for this reaction, okay, for the azo coupling. See, this is the nitro group is the electron withdrawing group. It needs a electron rich group for that. 18. This is the coupling reaction. So this benzene diazonium chloride needs a electron rich component for this reaction, for this coupling reaction. Which of the following compound is the weakest base? Okay, weakest base. So here aliphatic is strong base than aromatic. Okay, these are all aliphatic. Okay, these strong, they are asking what is the weakest. Okay, so aliphatic is greater than the aromatic. Within the aromatic, this amines is stronger base than the alcohol. So they are asking the weak base. So that means this aromatic with alcohol is the weak base. Among the amine is strongest. Here asking, they are asking the stronger. So aliphatic is stronger than aromatic. Within aliphatic, this will have more alkyl groups. So this will have the stronger base. These are all aromatic. Okay. This is aliphatic, and compared to this will have more methyl groups. Alkyl. That is why it is called stronger base. The correct decreasing order of the basic strength of the following. Okay, this is more basic than this, and then this, then this. More polar, more basic. Which of the following should be more volatile? Volatiles. More volatile they are asking. Okay, so these amines are less volatile as compared to the hydrocarbon of the same molecular size. So less volatile, they are asking what is more volatile. So that is 4, this compound. Amines are less volatile as compared to hydrocarbons of the same molecule. Which of the following methods of preparation will have the same number of carbon atoms chain? So that is Gabriel synthesis. It has the same number of carbon atoms of the reaction, 6. So here this is the reaction of primary amines. Okay, whereas if this reaction, it will have the amines contains one carbon less than this. Okay, that will give the same number. Which of the following cannot be prepared by the Sandmeyer's reaction? This is chlorine bromine only can be prepared. Iodine bromine, iodine fluorine cannot be prepared by the Sandmeyer's reaction. 17. See here only chlorine and bromine. Iodine fluorine is not prepared in this reaction. Reduction of nitrobenzene by which of the following will give the aniline? Aniline, that is primary, these 3. So you can go to 4. Okay, these things are mentioned here. This which of the following species are involved in the carbalamine test? Carbalamine test, 13. So this is the carbalamine test, that is for the primary amines only. Secondary and tertiary do not follow this reaction. So in the carbylamine these things are involved. The reagents that can be used to convert benzene diazonium chloride to benzene or these things. Okay, 18. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So here this alcohol and these things are used to convert to benzene. You can go through it how it reacts. The product of the following reaction. Okay, and this is a bromination. Bromine in the ortho and para positions. This is para, that is ortho and para positions. Rhenium ion involved in the bromination of the aniline is okay, these ones. Which of the following amines can be prepared by the Gabriel synthesis? Only primary amines, not aromatic, not secondary. Okay, and that is I already shown you Gabriel synthesis. Which of the following reactions are correct? Okay, you can go through these the details of these reactions. Under which of the following reaction condition aniline gives p-nitro as a major derivative? Okay, here this is using acetamide on 15. Okay, this is the major product. Which is the major product? Gives p-nitro derivatives, that is in the para position. This is p-nitro derivatives. Which of the following reactions belong to the electrophile aromatic substitution? Okay, this is the bromination of the acetamide, coupling reaction of the 6, 18. This is the coupling reaction that follows electrophilic aromatic substitution. The electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. Okay, short answer. What is the role of the nitric acid in the nitrate mixture used for the nitration of the benzene? Okay, this is acting as a base in nitrate mixture, provides the electrophile. Why is this ammonia group of aniline acylated before carrying out the nitration? See this, by protecting this NH3 group of the acylation reaction with the acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled and the pyronitro derivative can be obtained as the major product. Not to obtain this major product, we are doing this acetylation reaction. We are doing this acetylation before carrying out the nitration to get the p-nitro as the major product. What is the product when this is reacts with a 40? So we have this alcohol. What is the best reason to convert nitrile to primary amine? Okay. 41. Reduction of sodium alcohol or lithium aluminum hydride gives the primary amine. Okay. Okay, here this is the reduction of the nitriles. So you'll get this primary amine. Give the structure of A in the following reaction. 42. This is the one metal directing group. What is this Inspers reagent? 43. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. 43. 13. This is the Hindsper. Where is that? This is the Hindsper's reagent. Okay. Benzene sulfonyl chloride. 44. Why is benzene diazonium chloride not stored and used immediately after? Because of this instability. So in 44 is very unstable. 16. Due to this instability, the reagent is not generally stored and used immediately after its preparation. Why is the acetylene NH3 group of aniline reduce the activating effect? Because it's book page 1414. The lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen of stimuli interacts with the oxygen atom due to the resonance as shown below. Why the other is okay? Reduce the activating effect due to this resonance. Hence, the lone pair of nitrogen is less available for the donation to the benzene. Therefore, the activating effect of this group is less than the nitro group, amino group. Okay, so that is why this activating effect is less. Explain why it is stronger base than this. Show and show. Nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen. Therefore, the lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen is readily available for the donation. Hence, MeNH is more basic than MeOH. What is the role of pyridine in the acylation of the reaction of the amine? 47. Pyridine and other bases are used to remove the side product HCl from the reaction mixture. Okay, the product obtained by the acylation, this reaction carried out in the presence of the base stronger than the amine, the pyridine, which removes the HCl. Okay, pyridine removes HCl. Under what reaction conditions acetic base, the coupling reaction of the aryl diosodium chloride and the aniline is carried out? 48. Mild basic condition. Under mild basic conditions, predict the product reaction of the aniline with bromine in non-polar solvent. Okay, non-polar solvent. 47. A mixture of 2 bromo aniline and 4 bromo aniline is formed. 2 and 4 bromo aniline. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of the dipole moment. The electronegativity decides the dipole moment. Okay, this will have the more dipole moment than anything else. Okay, 50. So this OH will have the more dipole moment than this, okay. OH, then NH, then CH. What is the structure and IUPAC name of the compound allylamine? Okay. 3. Okay. Name of the allylamine. 51. Okay. This one. This is the allylamine. Write down the IUPAC name of this 52. NN dimethyl 52. Okay, this one. A compound is set with this molecular formula and reacts with this compound to give a solid insoluble in alkali. Okay, so insoluble in, that should be the secondary amine. So the 53. NCERT is an aliphatic amine which gives a solid insoluble in the base. This implies that must be a product without any replaceable hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen. In other words, this amine must be a secondary amine. This is secondary amine. This is insoluble in the alkali. Here reaction with the secondary amine, this benzaldehyde is formed, so that is insoluble in the alkali. Okay, that should be a secondary amine. A primary amine or anisotonic can be reacted with this compound to get the secondary amine. But only determined is that tertiary amine, quaternary is also formed in this way. Can you suggest a method on form only secondary amine only? 54. Okay, this carbolamine reaction they are using for the first amine only, which results in the replacement of the two nitrogen atoms attached to the nitrogen atom of the NH3 group by one carbon atom. On catalytic reduction, the isocyanide will give the secondary amine. 54. Okay, this is carboline coming from here. They are doing reduction to get the secondary amine. Okay, complete the following reaction. Okay, this is the coupling reaction thing. Azo coupling phenols. Okay, 55. Is coupling reaction. Why is aniline soluble in the HCl? Must be more basic. This ones. Aniline form the salt anilium chloride, which is a water soluble. This is a basic one. This is acid basic is the salt. Suggest a route by which the following conversion can be accomplished. Okay, this is adding bromine, then on reduction, adding this compound. Identify the A and B in the following reaction. This one is A and this is B. See, after this reduction, this is coming. How will you carry out the following conversions? 59. P-toluidine from toluene is toluic acid. 60. Write the following conversions: nitrobenzene to acetamide, acetamide to p-nitroaniline. 60. So pyridine. Okay. P-nitroaniline. A solution contains 1 gram mole of each of the p-toluene diazonium chloride and p-nitrophenyl diazonium chloride. To this 1 gram mole of the alkaline solution of the phenol is added. Predict the major product. Nitrogen is an example of the electrophilic aromatic substitution in alkaline medium. Phenol generate phenoxide ion, which is more electron rich than the phenol, hence more reactive in the electrophilic attack. The electrophile in this reaction is the aryl diazonium cation. Stronger the electrophile, faster this reaction. Phenotrophyl diazonium cation is a stronger electrophile than p-toluene diazonium cation. Therefore, it couples preferentially with phenol. How will you bring out the following reaction? 62. Okay, you can go through this reaction. 63 also. 64, 65, 64 and 65. Matching type, okay, ammonia lysis. Ammonia lysis is the reaction of the alkyl halide with ammonia, okay. This is here 4. This is the ammonia lysis, okay. Gabriel thalamus is the primary amine preparation. C, okay. This is the reaction of the thalamus. This is the primary amine preparation. Hoffman-Promoted reaction. This is A, aniline with the lesser number of the carbon atoms, okay. 6. Lesser number of the carbon atoms. Degradation, that means that is the lesser number of the carbon atoms. Carbylamine test only for the primary amines. Match the compounds given, okay. Benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is the Innsbruck reagent. Sulfuric acid, deuterium, alkyl diazonium salts, conversion to alcohols. Aryl diazonium dolls, they are dyes. Assertion region, one means both are wrong. Here too, the assertion region is correct, okay. Acylation of amines gives monosaturated product, whereas the alkylation of amines gives the polysubstituted product. So this is correct, but the reason is wrong. Okay, wrong reason. As a group sterically hinders the approach of the further. This is the reason is wrong. Okay. Hoffman degradation bromide reaction is given for the primary amines. Yes, correct. Primary amines are more basic than the secondary amines. No, we can't say like this. Okay. This is the wrong reason. This reason is not related to this. N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide is soluble in alkali. Okay, this is the alkali. Okay, this is correct. Hydrogen is attached to nitrogen. In sulfonamide is strongly acidic. Okay, correct reason. NN diethyl benzene sulfonamide is insoluble in the alkali. Okay, this is correct. Sulfonyl group attached to the nitrogen atom is strong electron withdrawing group. Okay, this reason is correct but not related to this assertion. Only small amount of HCl is required for the reduction of the nitro compounds with ion scrap. HCl, okay, this is correct. FeCl formed is hydrolyzed to release, okay, this is a correct reason. Aromatic primary amines can be prepared by the Gabriel synthesis proper. No, this is wrong. Not aromatic amines is not prepared by this Gabriel synthesis. Aryl undergo nuclear. Reason is wrong. Acetamide is less basic than alanine, correct? Acetamide is the vanillin results in the decrease in electron density of the nitrogen, correct reason. Long answer type 75. So these things you can go through these answers. These reactions, ozonolysis, and what compound is formed, how these BC other things are formed, okay, and the details for the 76. water soluble salt, colorless liquid sparingly soluble. This is sparingly soluble, water soluble. Okay. Okay.